In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to schedule a job in SQL Server. So from Management Studio, you want to expand the SQL Server Agent, identify the job that you want to schedule, then you select, right click and select Properties, and then you select Schedules. You can pick an existing schedule or you can create a new one. So I'm going to cancel this and create a new one. So select New, specify a name for your schedule. I'm going to call this demo. My schedule type is recurring. It can be a one-time schedule. Starts whenever the CPU becomes idle or start automatically when the SQL Server Agent starts. Here, you set your frequency. So you can choose between weekly, daily, or monthly. I'm going to keep it as weekly. So you can specify whenever the job recurs, right? So let's say every 3 weeks on a Monday. You can specify the start time and the duration of the job. So you can set the date when this job starts executing, let's say the 18th. And if you want the job to run indefinitely, you keep the end date. And if you want the job to run indefinitely, you don't set an end date. So here I'm just going to be keeping the default, no end date, then select OK. And then select OK. And that's basically how you schedule a job in SQL Server. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.